Guys, so what I'm about to show you guys is what will make your life very easy when dealing with your tags in ALX. Okay, so I'm going to be sharing with you a complete A to Z GitHub repository of ALX tags, okay, that you will need to carry out throughout your study with ALX. Okay, so if I go to my GitHub repository, okay, you'll see that I have all the codes available. Okay, so this code, you can pretty much use it to your own benefit. Okay, so I'm not saying that you should just go and copy the code and put it in your GitHub and all of that. No, that's not the way you should do. Okay, if you are dealing with hello world, then you just go to that particular hello world. Okay, but first of all, I'm going to show you step by step what to do. Okay, so first of all, you need to clone the repository, or now you guys should know how to clone. You just need to clone. Okay, so copy the link and go to your command prompt. Okay, and then do git clone, paste the link, okay, so I'll cd into the alx-low level. Okay, I think I already have it cloned, and I have it here. So this is it. Just clone it into your a particular folder and open it in your preferred text editor. Okay, so if you've opened it like this, when you are dealing with hello world, here you have all the codes available for hello world. Okay, so how can you use it? How can you use this repository? Okay, so if you are dealing with hello world, what you can do is to copy this and then transfer it to a particular folder. Okay, then if you transfer it to a particular folder, then you can then push it to create your repository for that particular tags, and then push it. Okay, so when you push, you then clone it back to the ALX platform. Okay, so you clone it back to the ALX platform, and then there you will now test it. and it will definitely pass because this has been tested and it actually worked for all the tags. It worked for all the tags. Okay, so here is the argument C and the add C. Okay, so this is about C language. Okay, this tags is about C language. So this is about malloc. This is also malloc. This is preprocessor. Okay, where you have your code here. So you can also cross-check your work. Okay, essentially you can use it as a reference. Alright, so this you have pointers. Alright, you have algorithms also. So pretty much this should give you the answer to all the taxes you should face. Okay, so you have file input output, file IO. You also have data structure in here. Okay, so these are the types of data structure: a single linked list. Okay, so you see here, over here, the data structure, we have the different types of search. Okay, so we have heap also, stack growth, we have recursion, okay. So this is to help you, okay, is to help you. You have the code, you have the source code, and then just know how to make use of it wisely. Okay, it's now how to make use of it wisely. And also I'm going to show you another code. Alx. So here is another code for alx system engineering develop. Okay, this also you have all the codes available. Okay, so as far as alx system engineering DevOps goes, you have all the code available. This is your first topic, which is shell basics. You have shell permission, you have shell redirection, shell variable expansion, and you have a lot of them. You also have networking basics. Okay, you have SSH, load balancers. So remember I told you simply copy, okay, and then go to your CMD and then do your git clone. Alright, so you clone it. Not going to do that. So you simply clone it. When you clone, you can now have access to the Git repository. Okay, so remember I told you, if you are dealing with shell basics, all you need to do after you must have cloned the whole repository is to copy out the shell basics, take it to a different folder, and then push it to your GitHub repository. Then from the GitHub repository, you clone it into the ALX code platform. Okay, so from there you test it. Okay, so you test it and make sure it passed. All right, make sure it passed. And here is the code also here. So when you clone it and open it in your favorite text editor, here I'm using GitHub. I'm using Visual Studio Code. Okay, so you can see what I have here. You can see what I have here. So I have a lot of code, right? Okay, so go through each of them one by one. So this is shell permission, and you have everything. Okay, who am I? You have this, you have groups, execute, multiple permissions. Okay, so this is how this can make your work very easy. Okay, and this will ensure that you don't waste much time. Alright, so I'm going to be bringing your way some other videos like this, so kindly subscribe and click the notification button, and then just give me a comment that you have subscribed, and also like if you enjoy, if it has helped you, if you think it will help you, just give a thumbs up. Okay, so I will know that it has helped you. Okay, so that's it for now. Okay, so don't forget to clone. Don't forget to clone it properly. Don't forget to copy each of the folder and use it wisely. Okay.